day. I am truly thankful for the Nestle Wellness Campus Sarap Sustansya Cook-Off Competition. Through the Maggie videos, I've learned how important it is to follow the Pindang Pinoy principles to always eat with moderation, variety, and balance. I discovered the value of choosing fresh and high-quality vegetables using clean cooking oil and seasoning our dishes properly. I've learned helpful techniques in food preparation and helped me to plan my meals to save money and time. As a student, I will be a role model in eating vegetables and always prepare my dishes with Maggie's all-in-one seasoning. Thank you, Maggie, Wellness Campus, for inspiring us to live healthy and cook smartly.
Good day, everyone. We are from Bangcud National High School and we are proud to share with you our healthy and delicious dish, the taro root, gabi and lutya embutido with steamed taro dessert. Our goal today is to show that nutritious meals can also be delicious, affordable, and sustainable. For this recipe, we use taro root, gabi and lutya, malunggay leaves, ground meat, carrots, onions, eggs, pineapple tidbits, raisins, cheese, and of course, all-in-one seasoning for that wonderful sarap. Most of these vegetables actually came from our gulayan sa paaralan, which makes this dish very budget-friendly, serving 4 person for less than 500 pesos. In preparing this dish, choosing fresh and quality vegetables must be considered, which includes the preparation of all ingredients, kitchen tools, and utensils before cooking. We combine the mashed taro root, ground meat, malunggay, carrots, and other ingredients in a large bowl. We mix them well, following the techniques for proper blending and texture. After mixing, we place the embutido mixture on foil. Added hot dogs, boiled eggs, pineapple tidbits, and cheese, creating a colorful and balanced look that even kids will love. We carefully roll the mixture and steam it for 45 minutes, remembering to cover the food while cooking as a hygiene and energy-saving tip is really helpful. After steaming, we allowed it to cool, then unwrap and slice it neatly for plating. To make sure that our recipe achieved the delicious and balanced recipe, Taro root embutido produce a right mix of go, grow, and glow foods. The dish is not just delicious, but also balanced in nutrients, carbohydrates for energy, protein for growth, and vitamins from vegetables for a healthy body. To avoid food waste, we use the leftover mashed taro root and turn it into a simple taro dessert by mixing it with flour, eggs, sugar, Milo, and melted butter. This follows on planning meals to save, and it proves that even leftovers can be transformed into something delicious. We steam it lightly to attain choco brown. It's sweet, creamy, and a perfect match to our embutido meal. In this cooking experience, we learn the importance of planning meals ahead, storing ingredients properly, and cooking efficiently using quick and safe thawing techniques, especially in our all-purpose cream for our desserts. This dish truly represents the Sarap Sustansya principles: healthy, balanced, affordable, and full of love. We encourage everyone, especially young cooks like us, to be role models in eating vegetables and to keep preparing nutritious dishes.
Thank you for inspiring us to cook smart, eat right, and live well.